Andrew Wilson, Earnhardt Lexus on Camelback in Phoenix, Arizona. We're going to go over some how-tos and tech tips with your Lexus. Also, follow me in my socials linked in descriptions.
Hey guys, Andrew Wilson, Earnhardt Lexus on Camelback. Did your parking sensor stop working on your ES? Could be a simple fix. Could be just turned off. Let me show you. Come on over here and I'll show you where that button's located. You see it right here with the P and the cone and the radar? That is for your parking sensors. You can turn it on and it will show on your instrument cluster with a green insignia. Or you can turn it off. Turn it on, turn it off. Once you turn it on, then you can start enjoying the safety of the parking sensors and not backing into anything anymore.
Don't forget to follow me on my socials for weekly updates on your Lexus. Also, for any immediate questions, just email me at andrew.wilson@earnhardt.com. Thank you.